Thermodynamics. Thermo means heat. Dynamics means, in this case, movement. So thermodynamics means it is the study of movement accompanied by heat. Now let us discuss the terms involved in this wonderful topic. Energy. Energy is nothing but the capacity to do your work. But we may be interested to define the work also. So work is nothing but the product of force and displacement. So, but this can also be represented by a vector. Force vector is represented by F arrow mark on the top. S vector, that is displacement vector. So now W is equal to force vector dot S vector. This dot represents the scalar product. You should not put the multiplication symbol. Okay, so this is a scalar product. We know the formula according to the basic vector. When we have two vectors A and B, vector A dot vector B is given by the product of the modulus of vector A and the modulus of vector B and cos of angle between these two vectors. Theta is the angle subtended by these two vectors, and the modulus represents the magnitude. So modulus of A means magnitude of vector A. Modulus of B means magnitude of vector B. And what is cos theta? It is a cosine angle of what? The theta between that is the angle between the two vectors. Are you able to follow? So when we expand this, now W is equal to, put W is equal to force vector magnitude into S vector magnitude. That magnitude is represented by modulus. So modulus of vector F into modulus of vector S into cos of theta. So as I already mentioned, theta is the angle of direction. In this case, the angle between the force and displacement. Let us consider the mass M, and we are interested to move this mass towards x-axis. You can draw the x-axis also, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So we want to move the mass towards positive x-axis, is it not? So either you have to pull on the same side of x-axis or push from the opposite side. So it causes an angle theta. So theta is equal to 0, therefore W is equal to F. We must always put capital F here. We must maintain the consistency. Okay, no, leave it as such. But hereafter you have to put capital F. So W is equal to force into S into cos 0, where cos 0 is equal to 1, and that is why W is equal to force into displacement. Are you able to follow? So you can be definitely having some fruitful work, is it not? But when the force is acting at right angle to the displacement, then it means what? Theta is equal to 90 degree. So cos 90 is equal to 0. W is equal to F into S into cos 90, where cos 90 is a 0. Therefore, there is no work at all. Are you able to follow? Right.